Hello YouTube, this is Shivesh and welcome back in my channel The Beginner Guy. In this video I will show you how can you upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11 for absolutely free without any data deletion. No file will be deleted and this whole process is very easy. You can see in my computer that I have these drives and on the desktop there is two folders and they both contain some files. If you right click here, then properties, you can see your system hardware details, Intel i5 9th generation processor, 8 GB RAM, 64-bit operating system, it is Windows 10. Now search run and type WinVer, WINVER and press enter. You will see your Windows version. My Windows 10 version is 20H2. Click on OK. Now open this website. Link is provided in the description. This is official Microsoft website. You don't need to sign in here. This is Windows 11 installation assistant. Before you start, you should have genuine Windows 10 license, which I have. Your PC should meet Windows 11 device specification and you must have 9 GB of free disk space to download Windows 11. If you click here, the system requirement is 1 GHz with 2 or more core, 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB space, high definition display. The installation assistant is a small file which will do everything for you. You need to download and run this file. So download now. I'm saving it at desktop. Download finished. The internet speed is very important here. So I'm checking my speed. Right now I'm connected to my 2.4 GHz band. And the speed test result is here. Now I'm connecting to my 5 GHz band. Actually my system supports both band. Now test again. It is quite fast. So download will take less time. Open Windows 11 installation assistant. Read terms and condition if you want to and click on accept and install. Now it is downloading and the time is 22:35. I will skip the downloading part to make this video short and crisp. You can also see there are other ways to install Windows 11. You can make a bootable pen drive and install Windows 11 as a fresh operating system. Also you can download ISO file and burn it to DVD or create a virtual machine. I have downloaded this file and the file size is around 5.12 GB. I will make separate video for these two options. So please subscribe this channel. Now see, the installation process has started and the time is 22:39, means 5.12 GB file downloaded in approximately 4 minutes. I will skip the installation process as it will take time and it doesn't depend on your internet speed. So installation process finished and it took around 27 minutes. otherwise it will restart in 29 minutes automatically. Click on restart now. It is restarting. You don't need to do anything here. This working on update will also take some time. Preparing Windows. Everything is done now. Just log into your system. Password or PIN will be same as it was. Congratulations, now you are in Windows 11. In search, type run, enter type WinVer, enter, and you can see Windows 11 and the version is 21H2. Open my computer. The look of drives and folders have changed beautifully and it contains my all files. Even on desktop, which is a part of C drive, has my files saved. One thing I forgot to mention, in this whole process your system should be connected to charger. Do not do this upgradation on battery power. For me, this whole upgradation process took 45 minutes with high speed internet, 8 GB RAM, SSD and 4 GB NVIDIA 1650 graphic card. This may take 1.5 to 2 hours for you, depends upon your system configuration and internet speed. I will further make videos on Windows 11 regarding changes and updates. So for more updates and tricks, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye YouTube.